Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete or deactivate your Facebook account. So let's go to Facebook first. Now click on top right corner your profile icon, three dash icon, top right corner, this one. Now scroll down and go to settings. Now click on this personal and account information. Now you can see here fourth option, the last one, account ownership and control. Click on this. Now click on the second option, deactivation or deletion. Now you can see here, if you want to deactivate your account, click on deactivate account, and if you want to delete your account, click on deletion. Now just click on continue to account deactivation. Now you have to put here the password, Facebook password. After putting your Facebook password, if you click on continue button, the blue button, your account will be deleted. Or if you want to deactivate, also do this password here and click on continue, your account will be deactivation. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.